We're gonna head into Goodwill and I'm gonna show you guys how I shop, how I thrift. Okay guys, so I will say it usually helps to know what the hell you want before you go in here. I'm kind of just doing this on a whim. So I'm gonna show you guys how I shop on a whim because I still don't waste no money.
Better 9 into the front, please.
Okay, so something like this would be something that I would pick out, but my mask just broke. Oh my god. Okay, friends, so this is usually the part where I go through all of my stuff and see what I'm getting and what I'm not getting. I go based off of my mask, bro. I go based off of like price, based off of what I'm actually looking for, based off of if it's clean. So I'm just gonna go through a few items with you guys so you guys can see how I do it. So the first item, all right, so I have this Fashion Nova top for the right size. Kind of here for it. We are done and headed to check out. Alright, so they gave me a new mask. Let me see. And I'm finally leaving, all done. Got everything I needed for fall, maybe even some more, hopefully. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got in the next video. So please stay tuned. I cannot wait. I'm about to go home and wash all of these clothes and see what I can piece together, because I know I did pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how I did, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show you guys all the stuff that I got.